Wow, check it out. We got a rocket launch of some sort. Maybe SpaceX. Wow. Pretty cool here at the shipping yard. Ross Clothing got a big load. But look at this. Just notice this rocket launch. Wow, maybe from California there, Vandenberg, or I don't know what. Maybe it's a SpaceX and that's the return booster coming down. I thought they launched those from Florida, but I'm not sure. Got something coming off of it there. But look at that. Wow. What do you think it is? Right here at Sunset and Shafter, California, watching this rocket launch. Look at that. Maybe it's a SpaceX because that's they're like the return booster, maybe coming back. Wow. There it goes to infinity and beyond. Wow, pretty cool. There comes, I don't know, the return booster maybe? Pretty cool. But there's Big Blue. All right, ready for the road. All right, heading to Vegas, baby. Yeah, just picking up my load now. It's late, so I'll probably stop somewhere around here for the night and then get at it tomorrow morning bright and early. But just saw this rocket launcher. I'll do some research and see what the deal is. But boy, that's pretty cool to see. It's still lifting off. Check it out. Wow, pretty cool. All right, that's the latest from Shafter, California. We'll see you out here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great night. Wow. What happened? Oh. I don't know what that is. Return booster coming back down? A little off course, maybe. Wow. All right, stay tuned. We'll find out what the heck's going on here. Rocket launches and all. See you later. Woo! Pretty cool.